Step-by-step SEO training course for 2024. How to SEO Meta Tags. In this video session, we're going to learn how we're meant to search engine optimize meta tags. Meta tags are placed within the head portion of HTML document. There are many different meta tags that you can use. Meta description, Google looks at. Meta tags have name, value pairs. In this example, this meta tag has a name called description, and the content of it is this. Then we have meta keywords. Some people will tell you not to use meta keywords. That's silly, because Google is not the only search engine that's going to bring website traffic to your business website. That means whatever the content management system your website is built upon, if the content management system, plugins or apps, or the system itself allows you to insert meta tags that's appropriate for your website, then use it. Also, in this example here, there is another meta tag, and that is HTTP equivalent content type. Type of content in this scenario is text HTML. Character encoding is UTF-8, which basically covers English language or most language character encoding. So let's take a look at meta description, because in terms of SEO, most people just leave, as in most people just optimize the meta tags. Okay, since Google looks at it, let's go and see how we're meant to optimize. First, you describe the web page content. Any web page element is not a place for us to keep repeating keywords thinking that's going to help SEO. It's not gonna. It never did. Perhaps, 15 years ago it did, because people start spamming meta keywords and all that stuff. You simply describe the web page content in a brief manner. You can use meta description to entice visitors to click so that you get higher click-through rate. When someone searches Google, sometimes Google may display meta description in search results. But remember, even if you were to create meta description as best that you can, now that you're learning from RankYa, it's not guaranteed that Google's going to show the meta description in its search results. It's all automated. According to the search query, Google may show it and may not. From your end, you can only do what you can to your best ability. Because when you focus on creating content for people and following search engine optimization guidelines that Google wants, then the rest will fall in its place. In fact, when you understand the concepts you're learning in this SEO training course, then each video session that I'm creating, when you watch the entire course, it's going to be much easier for you to create helpful content for people. Especially for 2024, helpful content update will be absolutely important. Now, I've just touched base with meta description, but I'm going to show you the source code of this document, because we can do much more in terms of meta elements which are placed within the head portion. Some plugins or apps allow you to insert different type of meta tags. In this example, that's Open Graph Protocol. Yeah. If you're creating Facebook apps and you have a website as well, then adding all these meta tags is going to help everything else you're doing on internet. What else we can do? As we can see, accessibility is important for user experience. And although some websites cannot be 100% validated or 100% accessible, it's still in your best interest as a business website owner to have a website that's mobile friendly, it's loading fast enough, and it provides great user experience. Because that's what Google Guidelines is all about. Because then you're focusing on people, focusing on website visitors' experience. And you can actually use the latest structured data methods such as item prop within meta tags as well. In this scenario, we're saying accessibility control and so on. You can perhaps provide copyright information using meta tags. The link element here, although it's not a meta tag per se, it's still a meta element. Think it like this. Anything you can place within the head portion of HTML, consider it as a meta element, because then you can use the latest browser technologies to speed up your website, such as pre-render certain URLs, DNS prefetch. These are browser hints. You can use perhaps preload methods and so on, okay? So this URL that I've created, part of this training course, has more insights as to what you can do in terms of search engine optimization of meta tags. In 2024, these will be absolutely important to understand for most websites. I thank you for learning with RankYa, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.